Welcome and congratulations on joining Muhammad As for Fitness virtual gym. Guys, I'm very happy for you. I do want to connect with everyone. Please do feel free to explore all the features available. If you're a pro member, you have access to all the features and to all the challenges. So do feel free to fill out all your information, okay, as much as you want or as much as you can. And guys, enjoy the journey. Let's have fun and connect with me if you haven't. Let's get to your nutrition plan and workout plan, and you do have unlimited access to me as your personal trainer, also your fitness coach, and for your nutrition plan. Okay, so if, for example, in the future we see that your nutrition plan is not working for you, we can change it up. Same thing with the workout plans, and the workout plans will always change it as long as you're hitting that level. Okay, if you're intermediate and then you're gonna go into professional or to an expert or whatever, we're always gonna keep improving your level of fitness. Okay, it's all about reaching your goal and going beyond that. All right, so take it easy, guys, and have a good one.